Welcome. This tutorial gives introduction about how to publish and export bitmaps. To export a bitmap to the web, click on File menu and select Export for Web. Click on Full Preview to get full preview of image. Click on Two vertical previews to get two vertical previews of bitmap on the screen. Select Zoom to fit an object to the screen. Select Zoom to actual size to zoom the bitmap to actual size. Now click Save As. Type the name of the file and click Save. To export the bitmap, click on File menu, then click Export. Choose the file format from the Save As type. Then click OK. To export the bitmap for Microsoft Office, click on Export for Office. Choose Microsoft Office to set options to meet requirements of Microsoft applications. If you select Microsoft Office, the file is saved as PNG format. Choose graphic should be best suited for option. Choose the optimized for option. Presentation enables the optimization for slideshows. Desktop printing optimizes good quality image for printing, and commercial printing optimizes the image for high quality printing. Click OK. Click Save. This is how we export a bitmap. Thank you.